Service in Taunton, Massachusetts has issued a flood warning for the Sudbury River at Saxonville until Thursday morning, or until the warning is canceled. At 6:15 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 9.9 feet. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by this evening and continue to rise to near 10.1 feet by after midnight tonight. The river will fall below flood stage by early Thursday morning.